And this brings us to past simple, which is basically the way it looks. It's the past form of present simple. Se pravi, ista oblika je. The rule now, because now we spend a lot of time and a lot of detail on the present simple. And this means that the basic rules are very clear to you. So from now on, we can move much faster because you know the symbols, you know the meaning. So the way to form the past simple is again personal pronoun, osebni zaimek, koren, the root, and then you add ed, oziroma d, če je v korenu že končnica e. For example, if you have dance, you don't say dance, you just say dance, but that makes sense. Again, the step-by-step formula for forming the past simple, you take the infinitive, for example, to cook. You remove the to and you get the root, cook. And then for the present simple, it was just adding the personal pronoun. So I cook. And now in the past simple, you add ed. This is the basic rule. And then you know, and I know, and we both know, and everyone knows that sometimes you add just d, for example, dance, danced, and there is a plethora of irregular verbs. We won't be going into this. I know you know them. If you're interested, we can practice that live, or I can give you special exercises, but I won't be going into this in this video because I know that you know. And then just a quick sum up of other forms. So the affirmative is I cooked, and it's the same for all. So it's he cooked. Ni nobene razlike pri present simple. Je razlika, da se tukaj doda s. This past declension that is no longer present in most tenses. V past simple te razlike ni. So it's I cooked, he cooked, you, we, he, she, they, whatever, cooked. Ni nobene razlike. Potem with negative forms, with negation, you have spet osebni zaimek, then you add negation between I and cook. So I did not cook or I didn't cook. He did not cook or didn't cook, and whatever, you, we, they, it, Tanya, whatever, mother, brother, whoever, the dog did not cook. So it doesn't matter what comes here, the forms stay the same. And then the interrogative is did I cook? Did we cook? Did you, he, she, it cook? Did Tanya cook? Did Isaac cook? Did whoever cook? So the basic form rules for affirmative, negative, interrogative are very simple, and I summed them again. Sorry, my microphone is blocking the view. I sum them up again here. So the affirmative tense is the personal pronoun with the root followed by ed, or there are two exceptions. So sometimes it's just d, or sometimes it's basically whatever, but that's clear. Then the negative form is the personal pronoun by the negative marker, did not or didn't, and then the root. And the the interrogative, se pravi vprašalna, is first the question word, like did I or did we, and then the personal pronoun, and then the root. So in affirmative and negative, the personal pronoun comes first. In the interrogative, the question word comes first. And what I said before, that like present simple, I mean the past simple is just a form of present simple. It just means that they look very much the same. You don't add any elements. Prav ne dodajaš nobenih elementov, nobenih končnic, nobenega. Se pravi, I cook, I cooked. I play, I played, I love, I loved. And this is again because the E is in the root verb already. You don't add ed, you just add d. Yeah, I think that's very clear. I will be making another video on exceptions, but just to get you warmed up, I think this is more than enough. And I'll be sending you some songs to practice this as well.